So we got the request about the Kintsugi landing page. So Kintsugi is basically an art to turn over typical broken ceramic into some sort of a, let's say, bowl or something. We are just connecting the pieces and making them back. Though this makes them imperfect, but they kind of serves the purpose. So if you check Kintsugi, you will notice this is basically the art form that repairs broken pottery by mending the cracks with gold silver type of material and then making them look better. So kind of like wabi sabi type of philosophy, right? So there are some of the artists who are going through some workshops. They are interested in making landing page for their service, right? So what I will do is we create a landing page that would showcase that event and get the guests to uh, let's say attend and does the course of that sort. So this is going to be a like event based workshop for the workshop Japanese. So right, this event paid, so the attendees one certificate. So kind of like generic. So we adding some of the features related to explains its benefits, CTA, some price, right? So let me check what we can extract out of this. Can also include address, generic for now, CTA with price, right? So we are basically building something like this out. So we will start by creating this landing page, right? So it will ask us some questions. So we have to answer that and note that it will consume all the credits for the day considering now we have plan mode within Lovable, so we won't be able to save any tokens of this small size, right? So visual style we can go with, let's say, traditional Japanese type, right? How should visitors sign up? So we can have email and phone city. Then we can also have pricing, so single price, right? So once we have all this, we can submit to get an overview. It will come up with entire planning or build mode, and we will build on the top of that, right? So we have to check how that would work out. And you can see page section, hero section, about, workshop, then benefits, testimonial, then pricing, contact, and finally the footer, right? So we have to approve the design before it starts building, right? There will be some burn left, so 3 credits are left. Within that it would attempt to build this landing page, so it's not a lot, but considering this is single page, so 3 credits are more than enough, I suppose. Let's wait for it to finish the page. Okay, so notice that all the credits were used and we don't have anything left now, right? So let me close the sidebar. Here you see the art of Kintsugi. And see, this is the workshop page. So what is Kintsugi? Workshop details, duration, materials, so on. Here you will also learn the history, then workshop benefits, right? Finally, what attendees say, right? And the workshop pricing. So we have pretty much everything that we need for our landing page. We also have the map that we can add by including the Google Maps API. So that should also work. Finally, the address, phone, email, and working hours. So here you can see 150 per person, 3 hour session. Book your spot. Currently we are not linking this to anything, but we can connect to some sort of a payment gateway and that should work, right? So we managed to do this with Lovable and we provided the prompt and also managed to plan, which took like entire 5 credits to build this. I can publish this by clicking on here. Alternatively, I can also sync this to GitHub, right? So this is the design for Kintsugi workshop.